the main board here, which is the same main board for both the Synergy and the Infinity. And as you can see here on the right, we have the scroll button, which will take you through the menu. Anything in the menu you want to change, you will hit the adjust button. So we're just going to show you how to program if you need an intermediate charge point. So these are used when you have a doorway at the bottom and you need it just parked just out of the way. So on the third step up or something like that. So when you're programming one of these, you need to position the lift between the bottom charge point and the intermediate charge point. Once you've done that, you take off the side cover, and then what we're going to do is we're going to put it in program mode. So we're going to press the scroll button once until it says position, and then we're going to press and hold until it says program low. Once it says program low, we leave it in low, and we run the lift down until it hits the bottom charge point. It will stop automatically once it does. So we're now at the bottom, but because this is an external, we can run the lift in full speed the whole way. So I'm going to go ahead and change it to high. And we do that by hitting the adjust button. So we're now in program high. I'm just going to loosely pop them back on. And then we press the up button. And what it will do is it will stop automatically on the intermediate charge point. Again, during programming, it always travels slow, even in high. So it stops there. All we're going to do is let go of the button, and we're going to press again and continue to the top. Again, just leave it in high. The board automatically programs a slowing stop for you at the top and bottom, because the encoder knows it's very close to the ends. Again, it will stop once it arrives automatically, so just keep your finger on the up button. What I'm going to do then is I'm going to take the cover back off, and we're going to save the program by pressing and holding the scroll button until it says Infinity Ready. There we go. Now what we're going to do is we're going to test it all the way back down, just to show the full speed. So once the end user arrives at the bottom, they'll obviously dismount the stairlift now, and then when they want to park it now on the intermediate charge point, they can't use the up button. It will only stop off the home button there underneath, the small yellow one. So we're going to press and hold that, and the lift will automatically stop on the intermediate charge point. As you can see, it slows down and then stops perfectly, and then that gives the person freedom to walk in and out of the door at the bottom of the stairs.